Welcome to Art and Soul Insider. I'm Barbara Lynn Burns, and I am here to help you find your joy, your creativity, and calm through art and wellness. Whether it's exploring new supplies, guided meditations, or inspiring art projects, this is your space to recharge and create. So let's make more art and less stress together. Here we go. Life can feel overwhelming, and the world's loud and uncertain and can sometimes be so demanding. And news headlines and responsibilities and personal challenges can leave us feeling anxious and unsettled. But within you, there's a space of calm, a place untouched by the noise. That's why I created the Peace and Peace of Mind guided meditation to help you step away from the stress and reconnect with the stillness. In these moments, you are invited to breathe, release, and find the quiet strength within. So take a deep breath. Let's begin. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Allow yourself in this moment to simply be. Right now, there is nothing you need to do, nothing you need to fix, nothing you need to carry. This is your time to rest, to reset, and to welcome in a sense of peace. Find a comfortable position, whether sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Let your shoulders relax. Let your jaw unclench. Let your hands rest easily in your lap or at your sides. Take another slow breath in and let it out with a sigh. With each breath, imagine tension melting away. With each exhale, release anything weighing on your heart or mind. Now bring your awareness to your breath. Feel the cool air as you breathe in and the warmth as you breathe out. With every inhale, invite a sense of calm. With every exhale, release worry, fear, or stress. Imagine a gentle wave of light beginning at the crown of your head. This light is soft and warm, filled with peace. As it moves down, it soothes your forehead, relaxes your eyes, softens your cheeks, eases any tightness in your jaw. The light flows down your neck and shoulders, washing away any tension. It travels down your arms, filling your hands with warmth and ease. It moves through your chest and heart, bringing a deep sense of peace. Feel this light expanding within you, wrapping around you like a soft embrace. Now imagine yourself standing in a beautiful, peaceful place, a place untouched by the noise of the world. This might be a quiet forest with golden sunlight filtering through the leaves, a gentle beach where the waves kiss the shore in a steady, soothing rhythm, or a sunlit garden filled with flowers blooming in every shade of peace. Wherever you are, this is your sanctuary, a place where you are safe, loved, and completely at ease. Take a moment to notice the details around you. What do you see? The soft glow of the sun, the gentle ripples of water, the sway of tall trees. What do you hear? The whispers of a breeze, the songs of birds, the rhythmic dance of waves. What do you feel? The warmth of the sun on your skin, the coolness of the grass beneath your feet, the embrace of stillness all around you. In this sanctuary, there is no stress, no worry, no fear. Here, you are simply being. Now imagine yourself sitting down in this peaceful place. You feel a deep sense of connection with the earth beneath you. You are grounded. You are supported. You are whole. A soft, warm glow of light surrounds you. This light holds the energy of peace, love, and calm. It wraps around you like a gentle embrace, filling you with a sense of ease. As you breathe in, this peaceful light enters your heart, expanding with each breath. As you breathe out, you send this peace outward to your loved ones, to your community, to the world. You sit in this perfect stillness, feeling the deep knowing that no matter what, You can always return here. This sanctuary is within you. It is always here, waiting for you whenever you need rest, clarity, or peace. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, whisper softly to yourself, I am safe, I am calm, I am at peace. Take a deep breath in, exhale, I am safe, I am calm, I am at peace. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, whisper softly to yourself, I am safe, I am calm, and I am at peace. Slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your toes and fingers. Feel yourself fully present in this moment. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take one last deep breath in and exhale with a sigh. Know that peace is within you, and you can return to this feeling anytime you need.